Hello, welcome to a tutorial of how to add your face to get facial expression to Rokoko and get the animation of your face easily. So first of all, we have our avatar from Clone Tools. This is the basic avatar. I'm going to fix it a bit and you are going to see what I'm going to do. First of all, we have to go this a little bit up because it's not on the red line, so we put it perfect. Yeah, amazing. Control A to apply location, rotation, and scale. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to put on the screencast so you can see what I'm going to do. Perfect. The next step is going to. This is something that we have done in some other tutorials. So if you need to take a look deeper into this, it's better to go to other tutorial. But what I'm going to do is right now I'm going to delete the names of the blend shapes, and I'm going to keep only the same part for all the blend shapes using the shape case editor. Okay, so I'm just going to delete everything that is behind the dot, on the face, on the eyebrow, on the eyelash, on the inner mouth. If you have a clone with other stuff like spiders or I don't know, more stuff, you can you can delete it too. What you have to keep is this, the name clean, like I've linked left, no without or anything. Now what we are going to do is see the UV maps. Okay, map 1, map 1, map 1, and the mouth, it's in the inner mouth, it's map 1. Okay, so we are going to select the inner mouth, the face, the eyelash, and the eyebrow, and join. So now we have everything together in the same, the shape case are together. Okay, perfect. Now that we have done this, perfecto, what we are going to do is the following. We are going to select the how it's called, the rig. We are going to select the rig, and then we are going to select viewport display in front. Okay, then we are going to select the eye shine. I don't usually like it, so I'm going to delete it. We're going to select the eyes. We're going to select one, press L plus P to separate. So now as we can see we have one eye here, and I'm going to set origin to center of the mask to both. Okay, I'm going to select the head bone, the bowl. I'm going to create one bone like this. I select the bone, Alt P, clear parent, and now Shift S, cursor. Oh, sorry, I have done something bad. We have to select an eye, set origin center to the maze, and then Shift S and cursor to active. Okay, now we go back, we take the bone that we have created, and now Shift S, selection to cursor, and we are going to call it eye bajo left. We right click on the mouse and symmetrize. Now we have two. Then what I'm going to do is clear parent and keep transformation for both eyes. And the next step is click one eye, click the rig, Control Tab, going to select the eye left, and Control P with automatic weights. So now, if everything is correct, if I move the whoa. Okay, now what I have to do is basically delete all unlocked groups. So now it should work. Perfecto. Now we are going to do the same with the other. Okay, it's going to happen the same. Okay, so with automatic weights, and if I move it's going to be bad, yes, but if I click to the eyes and I keep just the eye and and delete all unlocked groups. Now it should be fine. Okay, and yes, it's fine. Perfecto. Now Shift F, selection to cursor origin, so we don't see this. Perfect. Okay, what we are going to do here is now create drivers to connect the eye movement with the blend shape. Okay, so now we have to go here to driver. Well, we are going to go here, outline, orphan data, and we are going to delete everything that we don't need, and then we are going to drivers, and now we are going to enter in pose mode. We are going to select this eye, for example, the right eye. We go here to item. You have to change the quaternion to XYZ Euler, and here right click on the mouse, add driver. On the X we are going to add this. Okay, this is the this is the right eye, so we have to change this to right okay, and add input variable k 0.2. we are going to copy this here, copy paste, and now we are going to copy this here. Perfecto. And here you have to write this k blocks. Okay, I'm going to copy it because it's a bit long and I don't want to waste time, but you just copy and paste this. Okay, and now what you have to do is change this. Well, what it's inside here has to match with this and has to match with this. Okay, so now I'm going to paste this here. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Perfecto. So now this I'm going to do this in the other eye, so you can see it. First of all, copy this, Control C, and click here to copy to. You go here and you change again the quaternion to XYZ. Add driver. On the XC we paste it here and we paste it here. Now what we have to do is change the right for the left. So here, here, here. So now if we go to the face and now we go to the blend shapes, and now for example we select eye look down, what it's going to do is move the eye left, and we select look up, is going to look up the eye. Same for the other eye, that it's look down right here or look up right here. Okay, so now what we are going to do is for the right and left movement. So what you have to do is go to Zeta driver, delete this and paste this. Okay, what I'm going to do to be quicker is copy this two input variables. What I'm going to do is paste them. Now this is bad, of course, because we don't want look up. What we want is look out left. What I'm going to do is, like, this is for the left eye, so I'm going to start on the other eye. So I'm going here, paste it here, I delete this. Okay, I put this here and here, and now I put this here, here and here. Perfecto. So this is correct, and now we have to go to the other eye, and instead of this we have to change it to say right. Okay, after this copy this here, here, it's always the same. Here. Okay, now the eye movement it's done, So if you go here and you select lookout, you can see the movement of the eye is going with the movement of the face. Same for the up. Look in with the other eye, as we can see, look in, look out, and look out. Okay, so now we have done this. This is done. Perfecto. Okay, so now we are here, and what we need right now is going to the browser, and we have to download two things. The first one is the mobile app, that is this one. We have to download the iOS app, that is this one, that is for the eye face tracking. And the second one is download the Rokoko Studio, that is the application for them. I have both downloaded, so I'm going to open Rokoko Studio. You have to create an account. You have 14 trial days, free trial days, so it's perfect to try it. And I'm going to go to samples, facial motion capture. Right now I'm opening my phone, opening the application. Okay, so my phone is opened. My phone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi than my PC. Both they need to be on the same Wi-Fi. Let's wait this to car. Okay. Other thing that you have to download is the Rokoko addon. Okay. This is for Blender. I already have installed it. I'm here. At the first time, it's going to ask you to log in. You have to log in here. Once you have logged, you can see all this stuff. And also, if you go to the head and you go here on Rokoko Studio, you can select that this is the face of Sam. And on the blend shape, we are going to select auto detect. We can see that all of them are filled up, so it's perfect. If we go to the rig and we select an actor, we can select Sam and auto detect. You have to be careful here because sometimes it doesn't work very well, but I think that have worked well, so perfect. Now we go back to the Rokoko Studio application. As we can see, the application without doing anything has recognized my iPhone. Now I have a message on my iPhone that says accept. I have accepted, and now what I have to do is drag and drop this to Sam. Okay, so now as you can see, whoa, sorry, I'm with the mobile, and okay, this is if I move my face in the real life, Rokoko is moving also this. What I want is to do a live stream. You have to go over here in the right part, activate with Blender. Let's go back to Blender, start receiving, and I'm going to hide this. And as you can see, you can move the eyes all the way you want. You can open the mouth, look right, look left, look up, look down, whatever. And if you want to record any animation, you just have to click here and start recording. So it's going to start recording all the blend shapes, all the case. So this is how you can use your clone for facial expression in Rokoko. So this is the tutorial.